नमस्कार, मैं अशोक व्यास। जय हिंद के अभिवादन के साथ आज के दिन भारत प्रेमी विशेष करके जब इंडिया डे परेड आयोजित हो रही है न्यूयॉर्क में, तो एक दूसरे का अभिवादन करते ही हैं। एंड आई हैव द डिस्टिंक्ट प्लेजर एंड ऑनर of introducing you in a new avatar, Dr. Ajay Lodha, now that he has officially taken over as President of National President of Association of Americans of Indian Origin.
Association of Physicians of American Association of Physicians of Indian Origin.
American Association of Physicians of Indian Origin, that is API as we know it. Ajay ji, how do you visualize the responsibility that has come your way as National President of API?
First of all, I want to wish you a very, very happy Independence Day, and thank you ITV, and thank you Ashok ji for for bringing me in front of the whole community. First of all, I'm thankful to the community and my all colleagues who, with their support, I could get this position. It's indeed a proud moment from New York to be the president of API. And I'm the second physician in last 38 years who has gained this position. As a president of API, you definitely have a lot of responsibilities. You are dealing with more than 100,000 physicians of Indian origin, and lot of policies, healthcare policies, lot of treatments, and you deal with a lot of chapters, as API has 154 chapters who are part of API, all over the country. So our main aim in API is to establish the cohesiveness, the solidarity, and the basic mission of API, for which we stand for, to unite and to develop the physician aspect in this country. API is also very much involved in the research activities, also in the administration, in the technical aspect, which is a new field coming in the medicine, the new innovative technologies which are coming, and API is taking great part in that. Also this year, my vision is also to bring API to a different level, and I want to bring API also to political level also. So we are going to establish this another wing of API as a political action committee, which will not be part of the API because of the 513C status, but will be a separate part of API. Separate organization, 516C, but we are going to develop this as a API PAC, which will be mainly for the health initiatives in this country. My mission is to bring our younger generation, because they are the future leaders. We will be gone in 10-20 years, but we have to bring these future leaders so they can come and they can take API to another new heights.
New heights and dynamic vision of Dr. Ajay Lodha tells us that he is ready to spread the attention of API in various areas, including research you mentioned, and of course Young Indian American Doctors Political Action Committee. But let me also draw your attention. There are many Indian American doctors who are active in the media, be it CNN, Dr. Sanjay Gupta, or some columnists writing in New York Times, and some Indian American doctors have written best-selling non-fictional books. Do you intend to sort of involve them also, so that the awareness about what API is doing goes to the next level?
Yes, definitely we want to involve the media completely, and today I have kept this first meeting in the consulate. This is just to interact the media. Media has been very supportive to API, and I would say without any doubt that a significant part of API's success and growth, media also plays. Media plays a big role. Definitely we are going to involve all these big names which has been just said by Ashok ji to you. Mr. Sanjay Gupta and all other, New York Times columnists. And I want to know that 40% of the people in New York Times are Indians. Okay, so we will involve them, and we are going to work together. That's what it's basically. Okay.
So working together and not taking much of your time. Just lastly, now it's a matter of pride for Indian Americans that wherever they go, or there are some sound bites in mainstream channels related to any issue, the doctors that we read their last name and we feel good that, oh, he is an Indian. So Indian Americans are doing very good. And what API is doing to spread the services that all medical oriented services API is known for towards India, any bridge of collaboration with Government of India?
Yes. We do a lot of activities in India, And we have a mini convention in India, which I am going to doing in December, from December 20th to 30th, in which we have invited prominent physicians and surgeons and prominent specialists and big researchers from this country who will be going to India, and we have invited prominent people from India. So it will be interactive discussion, interactive decisions, and a lot of workshops are being planned during that time. And also this year, first time, API is going to be holding international research competition, in which we are going to inviting the work of only Indians all over the world who are there in Australia, England, Canada, everywhere, to show their things, what they have done. We are going to display it, we are going to invite, and it's not like, they will be having direct competition with the Indian counterparts. So, this is going to be a very good thing also in India. Plus, a lot of workshops, lot of, our traumatic brain injury project is going very good. It's already been implemented by several states, which API is pioneering. So there are a lot of things which API is doing, basically.
Wonderful. And so many good things to happen, and we look forward to working closely with you in spreading the awareness and the focus that API has under your leadership. And lastly, you have personally seen the working of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is inspiring people not only in India but outside India also. Anything in particular, considering his recent inspiring address at Red Fort on 15th August, that you would like to say about him?
Uh, Definitely, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has taken a very big task, and he's developed a new ministry known as Ayush, which stands for Ayurveda, Yoga, U for Unani, S for Sugandha, and H for homeopathy. So we want to involve all these traditional medicines, make it as a part of holistic medicine, which is definitely very important in treatment of a lot of disease ailments which we don't have any cure. And API is going to be involving in that also to develop this also. And I want to tell you that this branch known as alternative medicine is becoming very big in United States also. And this year, as a part of research competition, we are bringing Ayush also. It is going to be a separate branch. We are going to invite a lot of researchers which are done for the Ayush.
Wonderful. Talking to National President of API, Dr. Ajay Lodha, congratulations and lots of good wishes, sir.
Thank you so much. वो चेयरमैन उसको बुला लो क्या?
बुलाइए, sir.
मधु जी